Very good evening, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel. I'm analyzing the market for tomorrow, and today was an expiry day. Now the weekly template has been changed. Since the weekly template has been changed, I am just watching actually from Monday, Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday is the closing day of the range. So we will see, consider this Tuesday as the expiry and Wednesday will be the closing day of the range. So here, this is the expiry. We'll consider, even though last Friday was, Thursday was expiry, let us change the template and consider it to be uh, Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday, it was a down move. You can see over here. Now, on the Tuesday, the expiry day started higher, opened higher. It was a continuation of the Monday's level, but market could not hold the opening level of the market, open and low level of the market, that was 24,634, and it was a huge hourly candle falling down. You can see the continuously engulfing the total. This is the Monday's level. Monday's level. It has closed within the Monday's range, but it has not breached. Tomorrow, what can happen is any up move towards the 24,635 is a selling opportunity because market has shown weakness. It can travel, come down. On an hourly basis, still it is above this is GAN high-low indicator. It acts as a flip zone, actually reversal zone. Now, the market, I'm sorry. Sorry. So tomorrow, the continuation, because it is a huge gap down move, and this level 24,641 to 635 will act as a resistance zone. So the market, if in any case, if it moves to 24,635, so we can anticipate for this leg of down move in the market. So the down move, so if it starts moving, it can breach the Monday's low as well as the Friday's low also. It can go move below this low 24,401, and it can even end up to the level of 24,342. It can breach the September 1st low. It can breach. There is possibility. It is just a pullback rally in the market. Since it was a huge one-way down move, it was a pullback. From this one-way down move, if I take the fib tool and measure it, let me change it to the apply default drawing templates. It was, the pullback was not able to fix it. Okay. Pullback was just 0.5 percentage of the fib retracement tool. Just it was these are the pin bar. It could not go above that. There was a strong rejection. So it is definitely, it says it is lower high formation. It is on the downtrend. It is a down move in the formation. So suppose if I want to see the targets for this, if I put the fib tool on a reversal mode, I am getting 24,146. from this level. 21.618 comes to 24,146. Even market can move. Whether it will be on a one trench, we need to see whether the market will do in 2 days, or by the end of this week, we may see this level 24,146. Market is showing weakness in the market. So you can anticipate for the down move in the market. Tomorrow it may contain within the price action, may go sideways, or it can breach the Monday's low and start trading low. There is every possibility of market going and breaching this low, 24,339. That was a 8th August low can be breached at any time. The market is in a downtrend. And if I zoom in, this is the broader picture. If I take the flip tool again, and if I apply for this, see, this is 0.618 retracement, and now this retracement was 0.5% of pullback. We need to see. So if I take this, I have to take this from there. That is exactly 0.5. 0.618 it is showing. 1 minute. Yes, it is 0.618. So confusing the people. The pullback was a little bit more gold to the golden ratio. No. It is coming to 0.5, 0.618. Yeah, 0.618. And now the pullback in this leg was only 0.5. So there is more to go in the market. Market as one another leg of down move and pullback will be there. So this is the deep pullback after the breakdown. This was the breakdown from this level. So there is one more leg of down move. If I measure this down move from here to here, we can anticipate the down move culminating to 24,181 to 154. We can anticipate for this down move in the market. I don't know how many days, whether it will be in this week or in the coming week, market is going to go down. The market is showing weakness. Probably market may not hold these levels. So that's what it is. Instead of it was a failure actually. Failure, and such a huge candle, breakdown candle, is an indication of the sellers have become dominant here. Any pullback rally to either to 24,635 is a selling opportunity, sell and rise in the market, and it can break down the Monday's low, and then it can even break the Friday's low also. This is Friday and Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday it has become expiry. So 5 days down move and 2 days up move, and again the market is trying to do this. So the levels to watch based on the India VIX, levels to watch are 24,726 on the upper side and 24,433 on the lower side. and weekly low to be 24,190 and weekly high to be 24,971. In my previous video, I had mentioned that it was usually the market will not breach it and it will trap the people going upwards. That's what the market did, and it showed as if it is an trendy move to the upside, but could not go past this level. Now it has come back to the pavilion and it may continue its down move. It can breach the August 11th August level, low level, and it can move downwards. So September month, we may see the market going down. Probably in the month of October, we need to see some sort of reversal or something in the market. So levels, you know the price action, and let me tell you how the 24,750 put option from 18 rupees, it rallied up to 230. That is zero hero of the day today. Here, clearly, this is the Gann high low. You can see over here exactly it flipped up around 115. 115, it was the breakdown. The market was forming a range, could not go past this level. The reason for that was, let me show you on the monthly chart. Monthly chart, why market did not go was, this was the July month closing level. Let me mark it in a different color. July month, let me make it little bit thicker and let me make it light. So the July month level, and this was the August month opening level. August month opening level. Those are the levels were preventing the market to, let me change it to 15 minutes time frame, and you can see clearly. I was mentioning in my group that this is the level. I was keenly watching. It was unable to go past this level, 24,766, and the week's level was 24,772. It could not go past this level around from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Almost more than 2 hours it went sideways. But I was seeing keenly this equal low. I was very sure that the liquidity, static liquidity will be created beneath this when the equal low has been formed and equal highs. You can see over here, equal high, breaching this equal high, grabbing the liquidity, just a point, and then market tried to move there. That was a clear indication that market is going to come down. That was an history, and 24,750 put option. Let me go to the put option, whether it is there or not. Okay, let me go there and show it to you on the option chart. 24,750 put option. See here, so clearly it was around, the low made was 19 rupees, 19.6, and then there was a historical rally moving up to 235. 200, from 19 to 235. Once in a lifetime, you will get the opportunity like this. This is a great opportunity. So if you would have tracked the market, if you would have known the levels, and let me go to the indices. If you would have observed the price action properly, And if you would have placed your, even these levels were very important. Before trading itself, I had marked these levels. I was knowing these levels and I was sure that market may not cross this level. So market has come down, breached the opening level of the August month. Uh, sorry, yeah, and then July month closing level. So then market has come down. It is ready to breach the level. The price action is suggesting that market. So tomorrow what can happen? They may spend time within this range, 24,433. They may trade within this range or they may breach this level. If they breach this level, Monday's level, it is sure it will go and test the daily low of 24,433. Again, the market, you should not confuse that market is going to take support. It can breach this. So the direction of the market is downside, and you need to be careful and watchful for the price action. Coming to the bank Nifty, I am on the daily time frame. It was an inside day. I had already mentioned in my morning video that inside day are dangerous. So market tried to breach for a while and it has gone past this dozy as well as the inside day and it was a failure, and then you can see the close near the 53,361. So market is heading downwards. The bank Nifty will move downwards. The first support will be 53,340 on the downside and first resistance will be 53,981. Second support is 52,811. So this is a complete imbalance. Imbalance from this level. So market is trying to balance out. Bank Nifty, definitely it will breach this level and move downwards. Already it has come down and it has breached this level and it is going to move downwards. It may try to move towards the 52,811 in the coming weeks or possibly in this month. By the end of this month, you can see those levels. So it is necessary, what goes up will sure come down. Imbalance will be balanced out. Market is trying to balance out this imbalance. Friends, so trade with caution for tomorrow. Tomorrow, note down the price levels for Nifty 24,726 and 24,433. That is an boundary for the Nifty, and any up move towards the pre-market level, yesterday's pre-market level, Tuesday's pre-market level, may act as an hurdle and it can breach the Monday's levels. The down move will continue in the market. Thank you very much, friends. Narnakshi Swami signing off.